Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be visiting the United States Navy Seabee Museum, and I love making everything an educational event. So if you go on their website, go under the education tab, they have got some amazing little printouts. They also have like these, it's a Seabee naval communication page, and it just tells you like the letters and like what they would stand for, like alpha, A for Alpha, B for Bravo. My husband loves that stuff. Da, 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 da. Now let's check out this amazing museum. First thing to know is that it is free admission and free parking, so that is always a plus on our list. And the U.S Navy Seabee Museum is open Monday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. located near Oxnard, California at Port Hueneme. This museum highlights the naval construction force known as Seabees. They build and maintain the United States naval shore establishments around the world. Seabees were established in 1941 and served the construction force during World War II. And Seabees are known for having a can-do attitude. And on our trip there, we went in the middle of the week on an early morning, and it was quite a nice trip. There was hardly any rush and barely anybody in the museum, so we got the whole place to ourselves, and my kids really got to explore, look, and just take everything in.
It's kind of funny how they're all staring at
The Seabee Museum has so much to learn from and experience that you can really spend easily a couple of hours there. We took our time to really make it an educational experience, and I say our trip was around 2.5 hours. Our kids really loved. They have a construction little play area at the beginning of the museum, so we spent a majority of our time there as well as looking and learning. So if you have kids, this is a great spot for them to build and play and use their imagination with toys that you may or may not have at home. So that made it a plus. You'll see it at the end of this video. So if you have a toddler or a little kid that you are interested in taking, this will be a great spot. And remember that this museum is free, so that means that it runs off of your donations to help fund the operations of this museum. And now we're going to take a look at some of the Seabee equipment that they helped construct. This board here was in Antarctica, and a lot of these are just from some of their past builds. And although Seabees are typically on land, they do have this section dedicated to scuba diving gear.
I know why there's a Nemo there, because it says Nemo. That says Nemo, and there's a clownfish, just like Nemo from that Disney movie. Ooh. We got some tools, watches. Oh, it's a compass. We got a full face mask, and we got a jack mask. So,
no water inside.
And
This.
it is fake water. You can actually see this. Underwater construction tools. We have this. These are underwater grinder, underwater cutting torch, and we have BR 21 weld sting and an underwater chainsaw. That was pretty cool. A MKV dive knife. That looks like a weapon. And this is a heavyweight dive belt. Kirby Morgan 37. A Mark 12. And a Mark V. I think this is like this is Roman numerals, so a Mark 5 diving helmet.
This museum is huge. Look at this model.